Hello everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to integrate BOGOS with Transy, so you can translate all BOGOS widget content on your Shopify store into multiple languages. Before we begin, make sure you have both apps installed on your Shopify store. First, open the BOGOS app, navigate to the translation page. Then, tick the option by third-party integration, choose Transy as the integration, and click Select. After that, switch to the Transcy app to activate the integration. In the integration page, scroll down and choose BOGOS. Tick the checkbox and then click on Manage Translations. Now, you are taken to the Content Translation tab. For this example, I want to translate into Vietnamese. Here, choose Transcy Translations, then select the BOGOS elements you want to translate. Some additional widget elements for each offer can be found in the Customize section, or in most cases, you can simply select all to translate everything at once. Next, pick a translation engine. There are several AI options available, but in this case, we'll use Google Translate since it's free. Click Translate Now and give the system a moment to process. When the translation is complete, you'll see all the results displayed here. You can also review and edit the translations to better match your store's tone and context. Just one last thing to check. Make sure Vietnamese is enabled in your store. Just go to the language settings and assign Vietnamese to your store. Finally, head over to your storefront to see the result. Now, all BOGOS elements should be available in Vietnamese. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.